Welcome to the Industry Intelligence Briefing on the 2026 Hair Care Benchmark. This video offers a strategic analysis of the top 20 trending hair care kits that are defining the global retail landscape this fiscal year. Let's begin by examining the market intelligence, focusing on global consumer shifts and the key growth catalysts driving these trends. Core drivers of trend velocity include skinification, shifting focus to long-term scalp health and molecular repair. This is paired with biotech innovation, making bond-building patents the mandatory standard, and botanical efficacy, which merges high science with potent organic extracts. The premium kit segment is projected to outpace individual product sales by 14% year-over-year as consumers increasingly seek comprehensive routines. This chart illustrates the growing global hair kit market value in USD. Now, let's dive into the rankings, profiling the top 20 trending hair care kits in detail. At number 1, the Olaplex Hair Repair Kit remains the bond-building giant. The patented bis-aminopropyl diglycol dimaleate is the industry standard for repairing broken disulfide bonds, with this kit offering a full discovery routine. Number 2 is the Dyson Airwrap Complete. This engineering masterpiece uses the Kawanda effect to style hair without extreme heat, making it the most coveted luxury hair tool in 2026. The number 3 kit is the K18 Molecular Repair Set. Defined by biomimetic science, this bioactive peptide offers permanent results in just 4 minutes, primarily reversing damage from bleach, color, and chemical surfaces. At number 4, we have the Gisu Honey-Infused Heroes. This kit focuses on natural moisture infusion using Mielle honey and has seen a 40% surge in demand through social commerce. The Oribe Gold Lust Box is number 5, representing the prestige standard. This collection uses biorestorative complexes to balance the scalp and is a favorite for consumers seeking a fragrance-forward sensory ritual. Number 6 is the Moroccan Oil Treatment Trio. This trio provides superior condition with argan oil-rich formulas, non-greasy shine, and protection against environmental stressors. Coming in at number 7, the Briogeo Don't Despair Bundle. A pioneer in clean artistry, this repair bundle is consistently top-rated, clinically proving a 75% reduction in breakage after 3 uses. Number 8 is the Pattern Wash Day Kit, created by Tracy Ellis Ross. It focuses on curls and coils, providing high-volume moisture engineered for the 3C to 4C demographic, often featuring oversized containers and specialized tools. The Amika the Cure set is ranked number 9. It uses bond repair via sea buckthorn berry and vegan proteins, providing intense moisture for damaged and color-treated hair, favored by a trend-conscious demographic. Rounding out the top 10 is the Shark Flex Style Ultimate. This value engineering rival offers multi-styler capabilities at a more accessible price point than Dyson, featuring 6 key attachments. For numbers 11 and 12, we have the Redken ABC Bond Repair Set with its acidic pH balance for instant cuticle sealing, and the Vegamore GRO Vegan Growth Serum Kit targeting hair density and follicle health. Mielle Organics, number 13, features the Rosemary and Mint Kit, trending for natural scalp stimulation. Number 14 is the Living Proof PhD Kit, a science-backed routine for all hair types promising the perfect hair day. At number 15, Kerastase Genesis is an anti-hair fall professional kit. Number 16, Y offers a detox shampoo and leave-in conditioner duo for the modern minimalist. Number 17 is the Ceremonia Ritual, a Latinx-led scalp therapy kit using guava and babasu oils. Number 18, Color Wow, features revolutionary moisture-repellent glass hair technology. Finally, number 19 is the Bumble and Bumble Bond Building Repair Discovery Set. And at number 20, Pureology Hydrate is a sulfate-free vegan trio with a unique aromatherapy scent. This matrix illustrates the complete competitive landscape of the top 20 trending hair care kits. The data confirms that the market has shifted heavily toward restorative science over simple cosmetic styling, as shown in this market-focused distribution for 2026. This concludes the 2026 Hair Care Strategic Session. Thank you for viewing this video.